Yo, what's up, dog?
What happened?
Where you coming from, dog? Where did we go? Where did we go?
Up there, the Grand Ferry Center.
Right, nigga?
I don't know what the fuck is wrong with it.
Yeah, dog. Hey, you're cursing, dog. You cursing, dog. Alright, dog. Do your little move that you learned from over there, dog.
Which one should I do?
You don't remember, dog?
Hold on, let me pull my.
Alright. Well, try it falls, dog. The fairy will be mad at you, nigga. There he goes. There he goes.
It takes a lot of skills, guys.
A lot of skills. A lot of skills. I'll back up a little, you know.
7 years training.
7 years.
I still don't have it.
Let's see what he's gonna do. Ready? There he goes.
Let me concentrate.
He's concentrating. He's going for it. There he goes. Slow motion. Oh, that's the first part. That's the first one. That's the first one. Damn, bro. Yeah, it looks hard. It looks hard. Oh, watch out, dog. The jump. Ready? Get ready for it. There he goes. Oh!
I got it.
Good.
Thank you.
Good shit.